What's up, Wanderers? It's time for another one-take bag review, and this time we've got something really fun. We're going to see if we can get our entire tech carry plus more into the InCase City backpack. Let's check it out right after this. Okay, the InCase City backpack. I did a review not too long ago on the InCase City compact backpack, and InCase is one of the brands that I really like. And I like them because of quality and their intense focus on modern tech for carry. So I found the City backpack in this diamond white ripstop material that I really enjoy from InCase. And I actually enjoy it so much that I bought a few more bags, and I'll show you those here in a little bit, in this material, in addition to this and the City Compact, which I've got over on the wall over there. So what's the difference between the City and the City Compact? We'll do another video on that. But for now, we're gonna load out this backpack and see how much room we still have in this bag. I think you're gonna be really surprised. So as we do this, we'll do a walkthrough. At the very end, we'll do our trademark. 2 things that I love about this bag, 2 things not so much, and an overall review. Should you buy this bag? Should you buy this bag for around the $100 price point that InCase is charging? So exterior-wise, I can tell you that this material feels as good as it looks. It's really slick. You've got these neat branded zipper pulls. You've got a very tasteful InCase logo right here in gray. You've got a really nice seatbelt material grab handle on top of the bag. All right, so what do you have up top here? Up top, you have a deep felt-lined pocket. Now this is pocket obviously for glasses. It's also a really easiest point to just grab things. So I toss a few extra things in there. I toss my AirPods in there. I toss one lightning cable in there. A little bit of Neosporin in there, and my pocket knife. Okay. Those, by the way, not expensive glasses, so I don't worry if they get scratched. I buy them for they're just reading glasses. I buy them off Amazon, 5 for like 20 bucks. All right, so up front, you have a drop pocket that runs down to about right below this line. It doesn't drop all the way down, so, I was thinking, should it run all the way down? But then I started thinking, I want to be able to drop tech in this bag. And so in the front of this pocket, it drops all the way down. The back of this pocket, you can see, is just a sleeve. And I could, if I wanted to, let's do it, drop a Kindle in there and not worry about it touching the ground ever, the screen smashing, etc. Now this is going to be really tricky to see. So you can see that this outer panel is just fabric. So we've got a deep drop pocket, and then we also have some organization in here. We have 1, 2, 3 pencil-sized pieces, and I flop this down, but you can't on this bag. You cannot open up the admin compartment. And then you've got 2 kind of wallet-sized slip pockets inside this admin pocket as well. Okay? So, what are we going to put in our admin pocket? Well, let's put our flashlight. Let's put a pen. And we can put more pens. How about a Sharpie? No problem. Small problem. There it goes. All right. And another pen. And another one. Wallet. Yeah. And then we can, if we wanted to, drop something all the way down in the front pocket. Why not another cord? That's a USB-C cord dropped into the drop pocket. Boom. Okay. So that's the front 2 pockets. Now we've got the middle compartment. Wow. Look at this. You've got another compartment right up here with a zipper. You've got 2 nylon pockets. And below that, you have 2 more pockets with stretchy mesh, and then 1 big drop pocket on the front. The felt line pocket from the top robs a little bit of space from this compartment. but you can see a slip pocket, 2 stretchy pockets, 2 non-stretchy pockets, and another pocket. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 organized compartments, in addition to the actual main compartment, which you can slip even more into. Holy cannoli. Okay, so what are we going to do in here? Let's drop our gaming device. Boom. Let's use this compartment for our DJI Pocket and our DJI Ohm and our DJI tripod. Boom. Wow. Why not? Let's toss our AirPods in the front. Boom. Did we get any bulkier? No, not even in the slightest. Wow. Wow. Let's zip it up. And then in this compartment, holy cannoli, we've got a felt-lined laptop compartment. Boom. We've got another drop section. Boom. Wow. And then on the back, we've got InCase. Always does these kind of wing pockets on the side. So cool. One on each side. You could drop AirPods in there. We already found a place for our AirPods. I think we should put our cords in here. Why not, right? Boom. Zip. And we can put our 100-watt brick from Nano in this one. Who knows if this is how I would 100% want to organize it at the end of the day, but it's a good start. We don't have a hidden back pocket on this bag like we do on some of the Icon bags from InCase. But man, that's really good. Okay, so we've got almost everything in. I clip this to the outside. Hero clip can go on the outside. What about the water bottle? Well, there's no water bottle pocket. There's not even an interior water bottle pocket. So what would we do with the water bottle? Well, we could just drop it in here. There's plenty of room. I don't like that solution. Water bottle, you're not part of the gang. All right, so, and then we've got this assorted tech gear. You know, there's plenty of room within this other drop pocket here. Some assorted stuff that can go in our admin organizer, no problem. And to be fair to InCase, there is room for the water bottle. I just don't like tossing a loose water bottle in the bottom of a backpack that is carrying an iPad and a laptop and a Kindle. So, what do we think? 2 things I like. The organization is bonkers. You can fit an absolute ton in this bag, really there's room left over to spare. I got everything I would ever need in this bag right now. Second thing I love the white colorway. I love the diamond ripstop pattern. I love the material. And most importantly, if we're gonna load out a backpack like this, I love the straps. They're really, really comfortable. They're well made. They're durable. The grab handle's nice. So the materials in this bag, top notch InCase, top notch. Okay. 2 things I don't like as much. 1, how hard would it have been to put a water bottle pocket on the side, even one that's Velcroed down or stretchy that could flip out, or a hidden water bottle pocket instead of one of the side panels? I don't know. It's a choice they made. I think it would have been easy to include a water bottle pocket. The second thing I don't like, this front pocket. It's slick, it's nice, it's borderline unusable. Like, who hides an admin panel in a drop pocket that you can't get to? Zippers on the side, a U-shaped zipper, flip down, you can get to your admin panel, the other pocket's still accessible. You missed it on that one InCase. It could have been a really perfect backpack. Instead, it's a kind of good backpack. So should you buy it? Well, I got bad news for you. I don't like this one as much as I like the City Compact. The City Compact makes a ton of sense for what it is. It's not trying to be something that it's not. This bag adds a ton more organization, but not all of it is useful or usable. So, should you buy it? I don't think so. I think you should buy the City Compact instead. Check out that review. I think you'll like it. Next up from InCase on our next series of reviews, we're going to check the Icon and the Icon Lite. What's the difference? Which should you buy? Is there one that's significantly better than the other one? Check it out. Thanks, guys.